What's up, you guys? It's your boy Brian Felix here, man. What it do? Appreciate y'all for watching this video here. This is gonna be a quick video. This is not like something that I really plan. I kind of just said, hey, let me just grab the camera, see what I record, and turn it into a video. Alright, so in this video, I'm basically gonna just show you guys how quickly and easy it is to get set up with the new detail and wash our detailing van. So enjoy the video and enjoy the voiceover. Let's get started. Let's go.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and detail out the van today. Kind of a POV type of style video. I don't know if I said that right, but we're gonna go ahead and roll with it. So first thing first, take out our buckets here because we're gonna wash the Ford Transit. We have the generator over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on start. Hopefully you guys can see. Start her up. Go around this way, careful with the cart. Open this door real quick. Over here. Alright, so we have that out. Come around this way. We have mostly everything we need back here. Honestly, there's a bunch of spray bottles here which we can use to detail inside and out. Vacuum over here, of course, and then we're using the pressure washer here. So it's kind of tangled up, so give me a second here to figure this out. There we go. So we're just gonna drill this out. Super easy to get started here, you guys. Very efficient setup. Big shout out to Tony. And now we're gonna fill up our buckets here. Put it down. First, we need to go ahead and turn the pump on. So what we're gonna do, turn it on. 3, it's on. Pressure washer, there we go. Should be good now. Let's see, let's test it out. Let's take this out. Sorry about the angles, you guys. Take it out. Oh. Looks like it's sprayed.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so in case you were wondering, I did get that stick with the brush there at O'Reilly's for like 12 to 15 bucks, maybe cheaper. One thing that I do love about the setup is that everything has its own place. As you guys can see, the foam cannon easily attaches to there, and it should always remain in that same spot as soon as you're done with it. Now, when you saw me press the button there, I was just turning it off because there's an on and off switch on the button to turn off the water pump, turn it on, of course. And what I was doing was just turning it off and releasing the pressure and stuff like that to make sure I reel it back into the van. And that's simply it. I mean, pretty easy to get started with the wash. This took me like 10 minutes max, which is a huge difference between you having to plug stuff in and connect everything in, and it's just a lot easier and a less headache to do things this way. So big shout out to Router's Details, man. I love the setup, and that's why I want to keep making videos so you guys can see that this is a very efficient build. It's not just all looks and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Appreciate you guys so much, and looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Let's go.